today in the garden I am going to work on getting out the last of the summer vegetables. I planted these beans as a last ditch effort to try to get something. I didn't get anything, but that's okay. This area here is all going to be flowers. I'm learning so much as I continue gardening here in Zone 9A. We do have pretty much a year-round growing season, so what I will be planting in here is all the fall stuff, the mums and the pansies and all those beautiful things. Cannot wait for you to watch as this whole area gets transformed into my future, just kind of a English country garden. But for today, let's start small. Let's just take care of these pots.
On a breeze, I got no enemies. I just do what I please. Yes, sir. I ain't got no things, no money, no means. Just a wind in the wings. Yes, sir. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. I used to bounce on knees, fresh from the oven, chubby and carefree. I had a mind at ease. Now I oversee the trees, birds and the beasts and the man and his ODDs. I see everything. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. I saw the eyes of the maker, heard a rushing sound, caught up in the wheel going round and round, spun like gold from the shining ground. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down.
I have been waiting to do any kind of decorating for fall until October. Today I think I'm going to start here with our coffee bar. First I got to get everything cleared out of it. We're going to give it a really good cleaning, including the coffee pot, which I'm embarrassed to say looks really bad. So I'm going to clean it all, and then I have a couple of DIY projects that I want to do for this area. And also I have some decorations that I've been collecting at Hobby Lobby, and I cannot believe for whatever reason I gave away all of my fall decor. I don't think it was on purpose. I think we just gave so many boxes away, took so much to Goodwill and to the local thrift store and all of that, that maybe it was given away by mistake. Or maybe I was just so tired at that point that I said, I don't care, I'll start over. Needless to say, that is exactly what I'm doing with fall decor. And so today, let's start with a nice, easy spot like the coffee bar. So come clean with me, and then we're going to do a little bit of fun decorating. Okay, now comes the fun part. I have assembled here all of the things that I've been collecting to put into that little coffee nook. I cleaned the coffee pot. I got rid of everything that did not belong there, and the things that were non-seasonal, seasonal, you know, the ones that you just leave out year round. All of those have been cleaned and put up, so now it's time just for the fun stuff. let me show you what I found. And I may or may not use all of this. Pumpkins, I have a few of these. Good old picks, not sure, but I do have that. These are 99-cent store, no, Dollar Tree, $1.25 tree, not greenery, fall leaves. Not sure if I'll use them, but I do have some. This was a new purchase from Hobby Lobby. Isn't it cute? I just adore it. I know that I'm using this. And then I was looking for a square fall picture, but I really couldn't find anything, but I did find this. So I think that it is going to work. I may or may not modify it just a little bit. Let's see, I found these cute stickers at the Dollar Tree. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I thought they were very cute. I also found some stickers ribbon there, and what I'm trying to do with this ribbon, and I don't know if you can see this, but it has some red in it. And a lot of my accent pieces that I still want to use have red, so I'm hoping this kind of bridges the red to fall, because I think apples are red in their fall, you know. So this lamp that I love to have out there, I'm going to dress up with a little bit of ribbon, and then my large cookie jar, which needs to be out there. So I think that's just about it decor wise, except for the canisters that were out there hold our coffee and our coffee filters, and they are definitely not harvest season. So I found these, and I only found these because I first found these. They are clear stickers. So I thought they're actually for wine glasses, but it's just the sticker portion. But I thought if I put them on these jars, and then I could use these for the coffee and the coffee filters, that would be cute. And these were less than $5 at Walmart, and these were $1.25. So for about $10, I got 2 new canisters to use for October and November every year. So let's go ahead and get started with all of this.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter? Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, then suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper.
I know it seems like we did a lot today, and we did, but I kind of like to batch things. I like to get as much as I can done in one day, and that way I can take a couple of days and just relax and do the crafts that I enjoy. I'm really into journaling right now, and I'm having so much fun creating journals, so I will share some of that with you, I'm sure, in the days to come. But when I get my things done in a couple of days, 2 or 3 days of the week, that gives me the other days to work on things that I love, spend time with my mom, run errands, that kind of stuff. So thank you for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed already, I'd love to have you do that, and join me in the future for more of these day in the life kind of videos. That's it for today. As always, thanks for stopping by.